This is Nalta Explores, Las Vegas 2025, Dell Technologies World, here together with Geert Merkelbach. And this year we're going hardcore. AI assistant coding, Native Edge, and Dell AI factories. Welcome. On stage they told us data is the fuel of AI. How does this work with your setup over here?
So with the Native Edge, you are collecting data at the edge and you're getting a value out of it, for example, running your proprietary application. But for the long term, you want to push the data to the data center, collecting in the data lakehouse. So we provide the tools like Dell Data Collector, which can push from your far edge to near edge to the cloud.
And how does this fit into the strategy of the data of the AI factory?
That's a great question. The AI factory gives you the tools to extract the context. For example, running a language models to extract the context, and then having a RAG model where you can create your vectors of your data so you can get more value out of your chatbot, for example. So it's a complete solution and it's a key foundation for AI factory.
Hi Geert.
Hi Mike. Long time no see.
How are you doing?
Good, and you?
I'm doing pretty well. I'm okay. For me, it's been a couple of times here in Vegas, but your first Dell World was in Austin, right?
Yes, 10 years ago in Austin. Yeah, that's correct.
Do you like it here?
Very much, it's really cool.
So we're here at the Native Edge booth. So why is Native Edge important to Nalta?
Well, for starters, Edge is important for Nalta to process a lot of data close to the source, have minimum latency, also for security. And Native Edge is the way that we can manage a lot of edge gateways.
So it's an orchestration tool for us?
It's an orchestration tool, and more than that.
I'm gonna go my way.
Please welcome Michael Dell.
Whether you're developing cancer treatments or growing a business, data is at the center of everything, everywhere, all the time. And over 75% of enterprise data will soon be created and processed at the edge.
Do you like to be here at Dell Technologies World?
Ja, es ist sehr schön, es sieht sehr gut aus und die Ausstellung ist sehr klasse.
Danke.
Bitte.
I work with Litmus Automation. We're based in California. We have offices in Toronto, Munich, and Tokyo.
What are you using Native Edge for?
We use Native Edge to deploy our full-service data aggregation industrial operations tool, Litmus Edge.
And where did it make the difference?
Well, Litmus Edge really makes a difference from grabbing that sensor data, that robotic arm, any industrial asset data that you have on your industrial floor, across verticals. We operate in discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, automotive, oil and gas. So you'll find Litmus as a very unique solution that takes all that data from the floor, aggregates it in a nice, usable manner, opposed to doing it up in the cloud. And then we bring it in a way that the customer can actually use it and turn that data into a real revenue impactful information.
You're talking the whole day about Native Edge, but next to Native Edge, anything else that you find interesting?
There's one topic you can't miss here at Dell World, and that's AI. It's AI left, right, above, below, behind, everywhere it's AI. To learn at Dell World about how you can help the developer to become an even better developer using the toolset of AI on Dell World, Dell Technologies World, was amazing. I found that quite intriguing.
Please join me in welcoming the industry's most visionary storytellers, Ron Howard and Tom Hanks.
I will tell you this story. The only thing I really created en masse and shepherded through was this movie about a rock and roll band in 1964 called That Thing You Do.
Next day?
Next day, another day at Dell World.
AI Factory. Hi Iep, nice meeting you.
Mike, it's always nice to see you here, man.
The third day at Dell Technologies World, we learned so much about how Dell is embracing AI, just like last year. What is new to the messaging this year?
That's a big question, Mike. There are 40 plus announcements, a lot of them in the AI space. There's Dell AI Factory 2.0. You heard about all the stuff that Michael Dell and Jeff Clark shared in the keynotes and the breakout sessions. I will send you a list of all the announcements if you want, man. But it's really, as you can see, our customers and our partners are very excited about the potential of AI. Limited by your imagination, my friend.
It's still tough to grasp what an AI factory is and what it actually means to, for instance, a customer of ours, a customer in the Netherlands. Could you explain that in short?
First of all, our customers in the Netherlands are very important to us. And they want to create a factory of intelligence, of tokens. We start off with the AI business outcomes. What are they trying to achieve? We look at their data. Do they have the right data in place? And then we do a sizing exercise. We look at the platform, the ecosystem, and of course we help them with the services, adoption, things like that. All of this is extremely important, and that's how you produce a Dell AI factory.
That makes sense. And one piece of advice for our audience?
Start now, start small, think big, and get ready to scale.
Thank you much.
Pleasure. Thank you.
So Mike, here we are again. All right, Mike, we're almost at the end. This morning we had a really cool presentation of Tom Hanks. How did you like that?
To see Tom Hanks, one of your childhood heroes, actors, on stage with Ron Howard was just amazing.
It was very cool, and also the link that he made with everything that's going on here.
I wouldn't imagine how he could talk about AI. On the other hand, if you think it over, it's all over the place in Hollywood. They're using it for CGI and stuff like that. So it's obvious a very cool link between the content creator that they are and technology that we are being presented here at Dell World. How did you enjoy Dell Technologies World after being absent for 10 years?
Yeah, that's right. It's been 10 years since the first time. This is much bigger. This year there was a very good structure in the program, so everything was related to each other. The content was really good, so I really enjoyed it.
I found last year a little bit high level, if we're talking about the AI factory and stuff, and this year it was far more pragmatic, just from the get-go. I think our first session was at 8:30 on Monday, and it was directly on topic, on the edge, so I love that.
A couple of minutes ago we were discussing a list of action points that we are taking home. Things that we want to pick up, that we want to come back to. I think that's a really valuable follow-up for what we've seen here.
I'm happy we're creating these Nalta Explores videos. We did the Dell Technologies World for the 4th time now. And this year the difference in this episode is that we really wanted to be a little bit more hardcore and share some more details and knowledge that we learned. So what would we learn the people back home about Native Edge and how we can implement it? Is it really something for our customers, the size of our customers? What can they do with it? How can we enable them? And it's also the people we met over here. How can we contact them to our customer base and move forward?
Very nice being here with you, and up until the next one.
Okay, nice being here.
Tell each other, very true. Figure out the beautiful woman. She's looking at you. The evening is bright, light, coming through in stereo.
I think you just invented a new product of Dell. You mentioned the AI farm. Here they were more talking about AI factory, but
That's a good point. I didn't learn a damn thing.
All right, so Mike will start his AI farm soon. We'll follow up on that and keep you posted on Mike's AI farm.